Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I just left work. I'm about to go drop off my books back to the library. Um, this book right here, don't read it. 0 out of 10, hated it. But Somebody's Wife, this was a 10 out of 10. Y'all should read this book. But yeah, I'm about to do that. And then I want to go to, I think, Dick's Sporting Good to get me the Valentine's Day, what is it called? Dang, it's dark. The Valentine's Day Stanley Cup. I'm probably going to get yelled at for getting it because my mom said I already have too many cups and I don't use them all. I use them, but I use them like every couple months. But I'm going to come back when I do those things. I'm not sure what I'm going to do after that, but yeah. I just made it here. I was going to go inside, but it looked like they got some construction and there's kids out here. I don't know what's going on, but yeah. I was going to record me putting it in there, but it's too many kids standing around and I don't want, to put nobody's children in my video without their permission. But right now, well, I'm out of breath. Right now, I'm about to go to Dick's Sporting Good to see if they have the cup. If they don't got the cup, then I won't be getting the cup because I'm not ordering it. But yeah, I'll be back. I made it into the store. Let's see if they have it. Hopefully I can't hear the music in the background so I won't get copyrighted. But whoa. Y'all, I don't think they have it. They don't have it, guys. This used to be all Stanley. Hate that for me. Yeah, they don't have it. That's sad. This one not even cute. I seen this online too. That's not cute. Well, okay. Yeah, so they have it online. It's only available for ship. The other stores, they far as heck from me. So, am I gonna order it? That's how it look. I want it because of the top. The top is cute. And I always have like these type. So yeah. We gonna see. But I'm about to look around the stores to see if I want to buy something. I need to stop spending money at this point in my life. I end up coming to Longhorn to get me some food. I'm here with myself. Y'all need to learn how to, take yourself out to eat by yourself. It's a good thing. Like, I got the spiked strawberry lemonade. I've never had it before. And then I got a steak with some mashed potatoes. Hopefully it's good. I don't think have I had that? I don't remember. But let's try this one. It's good. It's strong too. But yeah, I'm gonna come back when I get my food. I should have brought my book in here, but I'll just scroll on TikTok for now. So yeah. I'm kind of scared. I'll look better.
Hey guys, I probably sound congested, like my nose is so stuffy, but it's the next day. Yesterday I had a blast. The band sounds so great. If you didn't know, I went to FAMU. Ooh, y'all. But today I'm supposed to be going to the grocery store. I'm supposed to be making burgers and fries with my friend today. I'm not sure I'm gonna record making burgers, but I'll probably record us at the grocery store. I just want my nose not to be stuffy. Because other than that, I feel fine. Like, I don't feel like I have a cold, but, child, I took some Claritin. I don't know if it's working or not, but, you know, we'll see how the day goes. Maybe I should take something else, but, I really don't want to. But I'm going to come back when I get to the grocery store. It's currently 4:48 p.m. I did not go to church this morning. I was tired, and my nose was stuffy. But, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Okay. Hey guys, I do not know where I left this vlog at. It's been like a week and a couple days, maybe just a week. But right now I'm on my way to a boat party for my friend Brittany 30th birthday. I think y'all seen her in the last vlog, or is that this vlog? The last vlog, I think. But I'm on my way to pick her up, and then we have to go to the liquor store and we have to go to the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna come back when we are on the way or at the liquor store. In the liquor store, got my cut water and Red Bull. Say hey. Oh. How you doing that? What the hell? Thank you. Right. I'll get a video. Alright, so I can go back there, right? I don't know. Point it that way just in case. Hot water. It's my birthday, but she gonna pop the bottle. Yeah.
Used to fucking bitches that
I need to find something to hold
I'm the nigga first bad bitch.
Yeah, the whole floor went. I feel like on me, that feels like I was just drinking.
Is it Stacy? Is it Betty? Is it Keisha? Is it Ashley? Was it Danny? Is it Party? Back it up. Back it up.
Somebody. You make it funky. The name of the song again? What's the name of the song again with Ray Ross? The Miami song?
I don't know what it is.
Y'all, we back at the dock. We about to go inside of Chili's. It took us like 15 minutes to find a park.
I'm not gonna lie. I have to pee a lot.
Let's go find the bathroom.
I have to pee. Wait, let me get my purse. You not bringing your purse?
No, because I have my wallet. It took a lot to find this place.
No, it shouldn't have said this.
No, it shouldn't. Because the place at first it was showing
Remember where we parked?
in the garage.
There's a little bit more information there.
The garage? Unless you drop a pin. You wanna drop a pin?
How do I do that again?
You hold the location.
Where?
You hold the dot. You see it right here? Yeah. And then I think you press the screen, this right here. And then mark my location. Alright, let's go find a bathroom. I hope it's not so cold in there.
I remember. I hope you remember where your coat is.
My car? That's where we dropped the pin. Wait,
Where are we going?
Turn around. This way.
I can't hold my pee no more, please.
Please don't pee on yourself.
We should have just went somewhere closer to Brown.
Yes. Oh, I was going to say, I know it's not working.
My only thing about Victoria's Secret is that they are a little.
They got buy two get one for a bra.
Yeah, I just bought a bra and I had a free candle for my birthday.
Yeah, I need to go to Bacon Bitch.
It's cool.
You been there?
I went with Christine in Jersey.
What to say?
The food is decent.
You deserve to quit dry January after this.
I'm never doing dry January. My birthday's in January, bitch. I'm never.
I didn't show us eating, but we did eat. I'm about to close this vlog out, so thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video.